All right, time to take a look at the Breville Knockbox Mini. So this has a few things that I really like. The first one, of course, is that this is in fact stainless steel. So this is going to look good, especially right next to an espresso machine. This also has a rubber bash bar. And so you can see it has this little tab right here, and that lines up with this slot here. So that is how you lock this in and then pull it out. So not a heck of a lot to it. The temptation for beginners is just take this thing over to the trash can, slam it on the trash can, and get the grounds out. This is going to be fully packed in here, so you need to get this out some way. If you got a nice stainless steel trash can, you won't be banging that thing up. Also, on top of that, if you got something gross in there, you don't want anything, possibly interfering with the portafilter. So, knockbox is great for that. It's also got a rubber bar on here, so you can see this is going to be softer, so that's going to help to protect this thing. Obviously, we don't want to destroy this. I don't think we're going to have to worry about that. I mean, this thing is super heavy duty, but still, we don't want to have to worry about that. So it's definitely worth getting a knockbox. I'm just going to take this, flip it over. Oh, yeah, it's in. Okay. But what's cool about this is you can actually save all these grounds. Grounds have a naturally very high nitrogen content. So you can sprinkle this on your garden and all your plants are going to grow even better. So your plants will like the coffee almost as much as you do. So the reason I got this Breville Mini Knockbox is because it's a little small and I don't want to be taking up a whole lot of counter space. They do make bigger ones. I just like that size. So overall, that is a very nice knockbox.